Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and elegance with the Asterisk 2026 Honda Legend, a sedan that epitomizes sophistication, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience unlike any other. Let's take a closer look at this masterpiece, starting with its exterior design. The 2026 Honda Legend presents a bold and commanding presence on the road, with its sleek, modern exterior. The front is dominated by a striking chrome-accented grille, paired with sleek LED headlights that not only enhance visibility but also offer a futuristic touch. These headlights are complemented by LED daytime running lights that give the sedan a distinct look from every angle. As we move along the sides, you'll notice the elegant, flowing lines that define the sedan's profile. The sculpted bodywork creates a sense of motion, even when the car is at a standstill. The aerodynamic design not only improves fuel efficiency but gives the Honda Legend a dynamic and premium look. The 19-inch alloy wheels add a sporty edge to the design, while the chrome side accents lend an air of sophistication. The side mirrors, integrated with LED turn signals, seamlessly blend into the design for both style and functionality. At the rear, the LED taillights continue the sleek, high-tech theme of the Honda Legend, giving it a distinctive look, especially at night. The dual exhaust outlets provide a refined and sporty touch, enhancing the vehicle's overall performance and design. Now, stepping inside the Asterisk 2026 Honda Legend, you're welcomed into a cabin that defines luxury and comfort. The interior is meticulously crafted, with premium leather upholstery covering the seats and dashboard. The soft-touch materials and wood trim accents create an elegant and relaxing atmosphere for both the driver and passengers. At the heart of the Legend's cabin is the advanced infotainment system, which integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to stay connected with ease. The 12.3-inch display offers sharp, clear visuals, making navigation and media control a breeze. The digital cockpit further enhances the driving experience, offering customizable displays that give the driver all essential information right at their fingertips. The steering wheel features multifunctional controls, allowing the driver to manage everything from the audio system to adaptive cruise control without taking their hands off the wheel. The driver-focused cockpit ensures that all controls are within reach, delivering both comfort and convenience. The rear seats offer an unmatched level of comfort, with ample legroom and headroom, making long journeys a pleasure. Passengers are treated to heated seats and USB charging ports, ensuring that everyone is comfortable and connected. Whether you're the driver or a passenger, the 2026 Honda Legend makes every ride feel special. Moving to the rear, the 2026 Honda Legend boasts a streamlined tailgate that complements the car's aerodynamic design. The LED taillights not only add a touch of modernity but also enhance visibility for added safety. The trunk space is generous, offering plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or other items. The power liftgate makes access to the trunk easy, while the hands-free liftgate feature adds an extra layer of convenience, especially when your hands are full. Whether you're headed out for a weekend trip or just running errands, the Legend ensures that you're always prepared. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Honda Legend is a true standout. Powered by a 3.5L V6 hybrid engine, the sedan delivers a smooth and powerful ride. With excellent acceleration and fuel efficiency, whether you're navigating through city streets or cruising down the highway, the Legend offers a refined driving experience. The advanced suspension system ensures that every journey is comfortable, absorbing bumps in rough terrain with ease. The all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability, especially on wet or challenging road surfaces. With adaptive steering and dynamic driving modes, the Honda Legend offers a ride that is both agile and comfortable. The handling is precise, making it easy to navigate tight corners or long stretches of highway. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Legend is not just a luxury sedan, it's an experience. With its elegant exterior, refined interior asterisk, and outstanding performance, it provides the perfect balance of style, comfort, and advanced technology. Whether you're looking for a sedan that makes a statement on the road or one that offers unparalleled comfort for your family, the Legend delivers in every way. So, if you're in the market for a luxury sedan that combines sophistication with cutting-edge features, the 2026 Honda Legend is the perfect choice. Thank you for joining us on this detailed tour of the 2026 Honda Legend Asterisk. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible cars, make sure to like, share Asterisk, and subscribe to Dream Cars for the latest updates on luxury vehicles, reviews, and much more. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an exciting new video. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more amazing content. Stay tuned and drive safe. Thank you for watching.